Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel, where I share with you the coolest and most useful gadgets and tools that you might not know about. In this video, I'm going to show you the top 5 cool tools that can make your life easier, safer, and more fun. These are the tools that are not only innovative, but also practical and affordable. Let's get started. The first tool on our list is the GAFGUN Tape Applicator. This is a device that can tape down cables in literal seconds, saving you time, hassle, and money. The GAFGUN uses a special core that aligns the cables and applies the tape with a single push. The GAFGUN works with different types of tapes and cables and can be used for various purposes such as events, concerts, theaters, or offices. The GAFGUN is easy to use, durable, and ergonomic. It can prevent tripping hazards, protect your cables, and keep your floors clean and neat. The second tool on our list is the CA-Nibble tool. This is a sheet metal cutting attachment that can fit on any standard drill. The CA-Nibble tool can cut through any metal up to 1.6 mm thick, such as steel, aluminum, copper, or brass. The CA-Nibble tool is safe, fast, and precise. It can cut straight lines, curves, circles, or holes. The CA-Nibble tool is ideal for DIY projects, hobbies, crafts, or repairs. It can also be used with a bench mount or a nibbler guide for more accuracy and stability. The third tool on our list is the WalletBot DIY. This is a sensor that can see through your walls and detect what's behind them. The WalletBot DIY connects to your smartphone and uses radio waves to scan the wall. It can show you the location and depth of pipes, wires, studs, or even rodents. The WalletBot DIY can help you avoid drilling into hidden hazards, find leaks or damages, or plan your renovations. The WalletBot DIY works with different types of walls, such as drywall, concrete, or wood. The fourth tool on our list is the MakeNX powered hand truck. This is a device that can easily lift heavy equipment up to 140 kilograms. The MakeNX powered hand truck uses a hydraulic system to lift and lower the load with a simple switch. The MakeNX powered hand truck has a foldable design that makes it easy to transport and store. It also has different attachments that can handle different types of loads, such as generators, air conditioners, water tanks, or gas cylinders. The MakeNX powered hand truck can reduce the risk of injuries, save time and labor costs, and improve efficiency and productivity. The fifth and final tool on our list is the Invis MX2 Starter Kit. This is a set of invisible magnet-driven connecting fittings that can join wood pieces without screws or glue. The Invis MX2 Starter Kit consists of metal connectors that are inserted into the wood pieces and a magnetic drill adapter that activates them. The Invis MX2 Starter Kit can create strong and invisible joints that can be detached and reattached as many times as you want. The Invis MX2 Starter Kit is perfect for furniture making, woodworking, or carpentry. And that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something new. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more cool videos. Also, let me know in the comments which tool you think is the coolest or the most useful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.